Hello, my name is Jeffrey Richards, and I'm the head project manager for the Dow Jones Focus Group. First off, I'd like to welcome and thank you for taking the time to watch this short video and expressing your interest in becoming a part of this exclusive focus group. This year, I'm excited to bring back the Equinox trading software, which was developed by leading analysts at the Dow Jones Stock Market Index. Before I go any further, I would like to be very clear that this software will not make you a millionaire overnight. Let's be real here, these types of trading software simply do not exist in the real world. However, what you will find is a tried and true piece of software that can finally make you significant profits online with undeniable and verifiable proof. You may not recognize my voice or my name, but I'm sure you may recognize some of the other projects I've been a part of. The Emmy Award-winning television series Breaking Bad ring a bell? Or how about Pepsi Cola? And I'm sure all of you at one point killed time playing Angry Birds on your phone. I was the head project manager for all three of these and many other products, shows, snack food enjoyed daily by millions. Basically, my job is to gather a significant group of people and test a new product in order to gain their feedback. This is known as a focus group. This in turn lets the company that hired me determine whether their product will be profitable when gone to market or a complete failure. One of the many companies in the Dow Jones Stock Market Index approached me in early 2013 in hopes to open a focus group to bring more people trading their stocks. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock for the past few years, you will know that the Dow Jones has had many eventful turns recently. In order to gain a larger trader base, they decided to release a software called Equinox that was privately used within their firms for the past 10 years. From what they told me, this software is the first of its kind ever to be released to the public. Now, when a company approaches me with such high praise of their product or just flat out wild claims, it's my job to the consumer to test it rigorously to make sure it indeed holds up to my standards. Hence why I have never taken a product I did not expect major success from. With Equinox, I was pleasantly surprised. Actually, I was absolutely floored that this software indeed lived up to the hype and then some. I decided not to waste any time and open up the first group immediately in 2014. After successful beginnings and amazing feedback from our first focus group, Dow Jones decided to open up another focus group that will last up to a whole 90 days, one of the biggest focus groups I've ever participated in. I can assure you with the profits made in the 2014's 45-day focus group that this year's group profits will be astronomical. So let me briefly explain what this software can do for you. Equinox is an easy-to-use trading robot that was created by head analysts at the Dow Jones Stock Market Index. It was created in order to increase the overall index average by generating winning trades. It has been employed for the past 10 years under private use at the firm. Access was restricted only to the top analysts. This software, yes, can generate you massive sums of money. But please, listen to this next part very carefully. It will not make you a millionaire overnight. However, what Equinox can do is make you tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars and teach you a healthy money management strategy and pave the road to long-term financial security. This is how real millionaires are made. When we launched our first group in 2014, we decided to ditch the private circles in which we usually find our focus groups in hopes to get a more rounded feedback from the general public at large. We wanted to target an audience of people who were seeking to make money online. People like yourself. After doing my preliminary research to start this group, I was shocked to find dozens of insane claims for systems that can make you a millionaire. I even tried some of them myself. The only thing it did for me was make my bank account smaller. Our goal now became to find these type of people that requested information about these systems in hopes to finally give them the real thing made by real stock market analysts employed with the Dow Jones Stock Market Index. Because this is the type of feedback we've been craving from our focus groups, and more importantly, my employer has been craving. Real-life people from all walks of life looking for a way to make money online, with little or no knowledge of trading at all. Here's an interesting fact for you. Upon doing my initial research for this focus group, I discovered that over 3,000 new millionaires were made in 2013 alone from online trading. These people, just like yourself, had very little knowledge of trading when they started. The possibility to make real money online has always been there. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to get in on the action and start earning from home. Now, before we go any further, I want you to take a minute and glance below this video. Push pause if you have to. Below, you will find verified accounts of people who use Equinox in the 2014 focus group. Real people, real verified profits. You cannot fake these. Our first 30 members of our last focus group altogether made a profit of over $250,000 in a span of 45 trading days. That is roughly around $8,000 each total in a little over a month. Not bad for our first focus group. Yes, no millionaires are made, but each member gave us great feedback and our employer was very happy. Which is why they decided that this year's focus group will last for a whopping 90 days in hopes of doubling these initial numbers. This means it is possible to achieve 10 to 20K monthly in this year's focus group on the Equinox software. Don't worry, these numbers are not complicated to achieve. As I said before, Equinox is an easy-to-use point-click software. It tells you where to place the trade, you choose the amount, execute the trade, and profit. Easy as 1, 2, 3. However, it just doesn't end there. We were given a small team of analysts and traders to assist this year's focus group, which will be available via live chat, telephone, and email, so you can see big profits this year. That is what we're aiming for. I personally do not take focus groups with anything financial. As a lifelong marketing expert, I'm not a financially savvy guy and only occasionally dabbled in the stock market. My technical expertise was pretty limited. However, when the Dow Jones analysts approached me and let me try this software myself, I realized that not only will this add to my track record of successful campaigns, it could potentially be the start of something life-changing for a handful of lucky people. Sure, doing the focus group for Breaking Bad was a lot of fun, and at the end it was seen as one of the most successful campaigns of our company, providing amazing entertainment for the world. This time, however, can and will change the lives of ordinary people across the globe. Not only does this software better the lives of the people that use it, but it also improves our economy. The more people invest and trade in the Dow Jones stock market, the more the economy stabilizes. And the less the Dow has to depend on foreign investment from failing economies like China and Russia, for example. But the real beauty about Equinox is that there's no need to study stock prices or charts, no need to sit in front of a computer all day. Simply sit back and allow this system to funnel money directly into your account. In fact, I've been given the green light this year to give the first 30 focus group members an extra $200 in their account. At this stage in the video, you're probably asking yourself, how is this even possible? How does this software even work? Well, if you're asking yourself these questions, then congratulations. You are exactly the type of person I'm looking for my focus group. Listen, we're not here looking for desperate people. We are looking for smart, intelligent individuals to be a part of the 2015 focus group, to give real, honest data to my employers. Meaning not only have I done my job correctly, I have also made a handful of people significantly wealthier in the process. So let me give you a quick rundown of how this year's focus group will work. Simply enter your email to the right of this video, and if one of the 90 sponsors is still available, you'll be automatically logged into the Equinox software. This software solely trades on the Dow Jones Index and other indices associated with the Dow Jones. Don't worry, the software will let you know which ones you can trade. After your 90-day trial has ended, there'll be a short exit counseling seminar held by me via Skype, telephone, or email. Your participation is mandatory. You will need to fill out a short questionnaire about your experience and, of course, disclose how much profit you made within the 90 days. Unfortunately, after the 90-day focus group has ended, you will no longer be able to use the software. The only thing you get to keep is the money. Sounds like a good deal? I think so. By entering your email, you consent to these conditions and will be redirected to a page to watch a brief demonstration of the software in action and download your very own copy 100% free. To give you an idea of the type of feedback we are looking for, please meet our focus group from 2014.
Jeff, what's up, man? Like, take a look at what I'm sitting in front of right now, man. I told you from the jump. I told you. But on the real, man, I need to thank you for allowing me to be a part of your focus group. Without the money that I made from Equinox, I wouldn't be able to afford any of this equipment for my studio or pursue my dream. So, to sum it all up, man, I really owe you. Thanks, man.
I've only been in 2 focus groups before, and none of them paid like this one did. This one paid $15,000 for 30 days worth of work. But anyways, I love Equinox, so please let me keep it. And yeah, thank you, Jeff, for everything that you've done. And don't worry about filling out my questionnaires now.
Listen, Jeff, please let me in on the next focus group. This whole experience has been completely unreal. Don't worry, I've got the questionnaire right here. I'm going to fill it out soon. I only use Equinox for like 26 days, I think. And during that short period of time, I made 22K. And I'm hungry for more. Thank you, man.
Hey, Jeffrey, I just wanted to let you know that this whole focus group thing was amazing. It was a lot of fun, and not to mention the paycheck was much bigger than I expected. Equinox was super easy, just like you said. I really just wish I had it longer. So please let me know when I can do it again because I would love to. It was awesome.
Join these focus group members today and become part of a soon-to-be online sensation before it's too late. Act fast before this focus group is closed. Enter your email to the right of this video and I'll see you on the inside.